So I'm here with Brooke today from the Bodhi restaurant, and we're just hanging out making a warm winter mushroom salad, and we're using some of the ingredients from our garden. We're going to start with a sauce using fresh ginger, chili, some brown sugar, soy sauce and rice wine vinegar. Put all your ingredients in a pot and bring it to the boil before you set it to the side. I like to lightly dry roast seeds and nuts in a pan for just a few minutes or until I see them tan slightly. These make a great garnish. Cut your oyster and shiitake mushrooms into nice bite-sized pieces and saute them with a vegan butter, soy sauce, lemon and pepper. These exotic mushrooms have a lovely meaty texture and will give your salad some substance. Take your wonderful salad ingredients. We've used lettuce, radish, cherry tomatoes and avocados, some of which we've grown in our own garden, so they're lovely and fresh. Chop them all up and add them into your salad bowl. Now add your dressing, toss, plate it up and top it with your sauteed mushrooms. A final touch of seeds and nuts and edible violets, and there you have it, a warm winter mushroom salad. Delicious.